Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the AtomDream Tech TV Antenna Outdoor. A long-range digital HDTV antenna designed to bring crystal-clear channels right to your smart TV. Whether you're looking to upgrade your backyard entertainment setup or just want access to free digital TV without monthly fees, this antenna promises to deliver strong, reliable performance. This outdoor antenna is built for serious range, engineered to pick up signals from up to 150 miles away. That means even if you're living far from broadcast towers or in a rural area, you can still expect stable access to local channels and HD broadcasts. From sharp 8K and 4K content to traditional 1080p broadcasts, the antenna is designed to handle high-definition streaming with minimal interference. What sets this antenna apart is its built-in signal amplifier. Weak signals interference? Not a problem. The amplifier boosts reception and filters out noise, ensuring your viewing experience stays consistent, even under less than ideal conditions. And because it's digital technology, it's compatible with every smart TV and HDTV, as well as digital converter boxes and Freeview tuners. Durability is another strong point. The AtomDream Tech outdoor antenna is weatherproof, with a housing that resists rust and withstands heavy rain, snow, and wind. So whether it's mounted on a roof, balcony, or wall, it's built to last while maintaining reliable reception. Installation is straightforward. The antenna comes with a 10-meter coaxial cable, giving you the flexibility to position it in the best spot for maximum signal. The included mounting hardware lets you secure the base and support rod, adjust tilt, direction, and height to fine-tune reception, all without the need for subscriptions or software. The design also caters to versatility. Perfect for homes, apartments, RVs, or even yachts, it ensures entertainment is always available wherever you are. Next-gen smart IC chips automatically optimize signal reception, filtering out unwanted noise and interference, making the viewing experience smooth and hassle-free. In terms of performance, the combination of long-range capability, amplified digital technology, and weather-resistant design makes this antenna a reliable choice for anyone looking to enjoy free, high-quality HD TV content. It's a solid option for anyone who wants to unlock a wide variety of local channels, sports, movies, and more, without the extra costs of cable or satellite. Overall, the AtomDream Tech TV Antenna Outdoor is a thoughtful mix of power, durability, and ease of use, designed to deliver seamless, high-quality entertainment anywhere you need it. If you're looking to upgrade your TV reception, this antenna offers the technology and flexibility to make outdoor viewing a truly enjoyable experience. That's it for today's product critique. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth product breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.